the coughing which is either upper respiratory tract infection, something like kennel cough, and your dog is out of date for the vaccine for that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally started after the surgery.
This is a Miniature Schnauzer, 13 years old. Has a chronic cough since 6 months ago, and we took the chest X-ray. As you can see, here is the thoracic cavity, the rib cage, heart here, and the lung tissue here, and this is a trachea. As you can see on the right one, this is a right view, right lateral view of the chest. So we see the trachea here appears to be normal, but when you repeat it on the left side, so you can see the trachea got narrowed down. So this is a narrowed trachea, trachea, and this is the normal one. So probably this one was during the inhale, and we caught this during the exhale. So as you can see, the size of the trachea here is around like 4.2 millimeters, and on this view it's 15. So it got 3 times smaller than usual. So we call this dynamic collapse in trachea. So collapse in trachea is very common in small breed dogs, especially when they get older. That's because of the weakness of the tracheal rings, and when they're inhaling, they the trachea, because it's weakened wall, cannot tolerate the negative pressure caused by the lungs, so it will collapse and induce coughing. So that's one of the reasons this dog has been coughing chronically, and we can manage this medically. There is a surgical option as well, with variable rate of success, and that the cost and the complications post-op are limiting factors. So we decided to manage this case medically. So this case is going to get cough suppressants and bronchodilators, and also on the VD view we can see some bronchial patterns as well, which can be associated with the age, but they can also contribute to the chronic cough as well. So that's why we're going to give some bronchodilators, which is theophylline, for this case. So the main diagnosis for this case is dynamic collapse in trachea, which we can confirm it that the size of the trachea from 15 on the right view become 4.2, same area that we measured, which is a quite significant number, like more than three times difference in the size and the diameter of the trachea. And usually these patients, they need to go on a lifelong medication or to suppress the coughing and control the coughing, so we can give them some of their quality of life. Thank you.